Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone's new review video. Today we are discussing Zcal, a powerful scheduling tool available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. So what is Zcal? Zcal is a design-focused scheduling platform that offers customization and polish similar to Typeform. It's ideal for professionals who looking to make a strong first impression with their scheduling page. Zcal enable you to create stunning scheduling page that boost booking and enhance customer experience. So now let's talk about Zcal pricing plan. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Facebook group for the latest SaaS LTD giveaway and review. So now let's talk about Zcal pricing plan. As you can see, Zcal is now available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. For a limited time, you can get a lifetime deal for Zcal on the AppSumo marketplace. Check the video description box to get this deal before it's gone. So if you scroll down, you can see Zcal has three pricing plan or three tier pricing plan, tier 1 to tier 3. So tier 1 start from $59 and tier 2 $139 and tier 3 $219. So you can check what is the difference between tier 1 to tier 3. If you check their pricing plan, you can notice almost every tier offer similar benefit except the user different. So you can see from tier 1 package you can add up to 3 user, and tier 2 package you can add up to 10 user, and tier 3 premium plan you can add up to 50 user on your Zcal account. And as you can see, almost every feature is available on tier 1 to tier 3 package. Now let's explore the Zcal key feature and how this tool works and how you can customize your scheduling page according to your business. So there are many options available on the Zcal dashboard. Let's explore it. So as you can see, we are now Zcal dashboard. This is the Zcal dashboard overview. Here you can create a new scheduling page and you can customize it according to your business. As you can see, here is the Zcal dashboard. There are many options and features available here. Let's explore Zcal main key feature. You can create a beautiful design by using Zcal.co, and you can insert your video, and you can also add your team member, and you can customize your branding, and you can add your calendar integrations. And if you want to collect payment from your client, you can also integrate Stripe payment method so that you can easily collect if you are offering paid consultancy, then you can collect payment from your client, right? And also you can check analytic, how many people are clicking on your booking page and everything. So what you have to do, you have to click new link here. So we are click on it. So the process is very simple. As you can see, there are three type of link you can create from here. One is one-to-one invite sessions, and second one is group invite, and third one is meeting pool. So so we just start from here, one-to-one invite. So as you can see, here is the some customization option available here. Like as you can see, this is our scheduling page. We can customize it from here. So from the first options is discovery call name. You can naming here. You can, the name will be shown on your invite page and your calendar event. Like you can name it here 30-minute free consultation or paid consultation. Anything you can name it here. Also, you have to integrate with your Zoom or other location options like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and custom text. So you can we already add our Zoom, so that will be appear here. This will be appear here. How and where the meeting will be take a place, and you can specify a video conference link, phone number, or physical address also. So here is the information you can input here, like if you are charging paid consultancy, or if you are offering free consultancy, or if you have a time limitation, or if you have any type of agenda, you can write down here. This description is shown on your invite page, and in your calendar event URL are automatically hyperlinked. So you can also add here any type of link also. So this is our description, like any type of instructions, any type of meeting agenda, any type of details you can input here. So here is the custom URL. This is the custom URL of your booking page. So we already create 30-minute call custom link one. That's why we have to change the name here. So we input here 30-minute call. So here is our custom link URL, and you can change here your desktop layout, which is full cover photo and left side. So we need full layout here. The layout determine how your invite will be presented to invitee. Each layout has its own set of design options. So here's the theme buttons. You can change the theme and customize your theme to set the style and color scheme shown on your invite and profile page. Like if you want to click the button here, you can see here are the many theme options available here. You can see, you can check anyone. So we are selecting here these options, this design, this theme template. You can also check here preview. So if you want to check the design, you can select the preview. So you can check the how your theme look like. So we select here and submit button. So and next option, you can see you can add a story image and video that help to set the context of meeting and reinforce your brand. Like if you are operating a marketing agency, you can add a warm video or welcome video so that people can easily understand your brand theme or your brand motive. Or if you are running local business, like if you have a barber shop, if you have a restaurant business, if you have a law firm, you can add this type of similar image which is relevant to your local business, and so that people can understand what is your booking page, but what is the main context, or what service are you are offering from your agency or your business. So you can add it here. This is not mandatory, this is optional, that we can select photo and you can also select video. So we are selecting here photos. So as you can see, by default they integrate with Unsplash. You can use this image without any copyright issues. So we can add here a small okay, we write down here marketing. We are looking some marketing type of image. This image are completely free for you, so you can easily use this image without any hesitations. 30-minute duration. You can change the meeting time duration, like 30-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour, 2 hours, or customs if you want to change. So we leave it here 15 minutes event or meeting durations. Time slot and increment. Okay, you can also time slot, you can modify it here. How frequently time slot are displayed. For example, a 30-minute increment creates a slot 9 a.m. to 9:30 or 10 a.m. while a 60-minute increment create a slot 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. This type of slot increment options will work. So date range 30 days into the future. That means your this customs event link will work. So add custom hour. So if you want to off Saturday and Sunday, then you can off these options here, like you are offering meeting except Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So these 3 days are off. We are only offering these 4 days to our consultancy. When all customization is done, you have to click the next button. So as you can see, here is the custom question. If you want to add some custom questions regarding any type of business, you can add it here, like what is your name, you can what is your email number, and you can add multiple things here, like short text, long text, radio button, checkbox, drop down, phone number, attachment. If you want to collect lead from your client, then you can add here multiple questions and collect lead from them. And next option, invitee local time zone. If you want to offer the meeting from invitee time zone, then you can offer it from here. Show intro, show your intro on your schedule page and calendar event. Show your profile page, that will be also on. And limit max number of event, so maximum notice 6 hours. And also scheduling option, email reminder 1 day before they will get email reminder from here. And event name format, invitee name and your name. My name is Redwan Kausar, so that you can see invitee name by default and my name. Allow guest, also you can allow the guest here. Redirect to the booking page, redirect to the custom URL after the confirmation page. So if you want to redirect there to success page or customization page, you can redirect them here, which is really amazing feature for me. And accept payment, if you are offering paid consultancy, or you can collect payment from here, but for this you have to connect with your Stripe account from here, so that people can easily give your desired amount for the paid consultancy. And here is the next, create an invite. Then we are almost done. This is our invite link. You can use this link and share it with anyone. As you can see, we have just created this link. We are at this image from our agency, and you can check how the meeting will work. Here is the Zoom link. You can see this main meeting will be done by Zoom, and you can see we can select here like if you want to try. So we are select here date, and here is our time, desired time zone. So after that this meeting will be ready. So here you can see we can input our name and email address, and if you have a guest, then you can also add the guest name here. And if you click the schedule meeting, the meeting schedule will be successfully done, right? So as you can see, you also can embed this page anywhere. Like if you have a marketing agency, if you have a service page or service website, if you have a personal blog, you can embed this link to your website, any of your service page or any of your website sections. So you can easily just copy this JavaScript code or IFM code and paste your website desired locations, so that people this link will be appear here. So here is our scheduling page look like. So I think this is very interesting, and this is very amazing deal. Zcal is ideal for freelancer, consultant, coaches, and a small business who are looking to streamline their scheduling process and impress their client with a professional booking experience. Here's all about Zcal. If you have any questions about this lifetime deal, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Facebook group for more SaaS lifetime deal reviews and giveaway. Thanks for watching.